am Hilda Daniel John. This is my certificate. Pharma College. I graduated from this Pharma College. You can as well register with them. It's very, very accurate. The school is genuine. Don't be scared. If you want to register with them, you can Google on www.NACPT Pharma College. It is easier to locate in Scarborough. Please try and register with Pharma College. If you want to do your ECE, they are available. If you want to do your PSW, they are available. Thanks.